Look, y'all, look what my mommy bought me. She got me this cute little craft organizer rolling cart for my little business essentials. Isn't that cute? I'm not about to put it together. So I'm finished, and this is what it looked like. So I got my elastic up here. My business cards are in here. I'll show y'all business card. Oh shit. I can get it out. It's my cousin and her daughter rocking my mommy and me bonnets. This is the business card. So visit my socials. Socials. So I just left this African print up here so this wouldn't be empty, but I might move it into this box. I ended up organizing a lot of my stuff, so as you can see I have fabric in here, so I might just add this in here. But then it's gonna look empty. I don't know, I might just sit this up there for now. But yeah, I got my pens, oh shoot, my clips. I got my hot glue gun with my hot glue sticks. Got my scissors, my beads, more elastic. Some little, what they called? The, what they called? Footless sandals. These are bows that go on my footless sandals. These are some more needles. I'm about to put them right here. Then I have my ribbon. I have a lot of ribbon, as you can see. These are for my adjustable headbands. Then down here I have my shipping bags. I have all my shipping bags right there. Then right here, it's my thread. Also my bobbins back there. This is my thread puller. And some more scissors. I might just hang the scissors right here. I don't know. I need something else to fill in right here too. And I got a safety pin right here too. I don't know, but this is all I have for now. I'll probably add as I go, you know. But yeah, I like it. It's real cute. And it's gonna be real handy for me. So I also gotta find somewhere to put this so that the kids won't get into it. So I don't know, I might stick it in this little corner over here. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out how it goes. This is my little work area. So this is my work area, including my YouTube station. So as you can see my backdrop, this is my table. Excuse the water bottles. My mom's here. She dropped everything off and then she left to go to my mother-in-law's house. But this is my little work area station. And when I say work area, I mean for my business and for YouTube. So yeah, and this is a box full of fabric. Like I said, I just went through and organized a lot of stuff. So as you can see by the door, it's a bunch of boxes. So I'm about to, I don't know, sit the trash out for one. And then my husband will probably put these boxes out when he get home or sometime this weekend when he's off. But yeah, so I just wanted y'all to see my little organization stand that my mommy got me. So yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching this video and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.